Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to force a user to change their password at the next login in Linux. First, let's examine the users available in the system. There are two possible methods for forcing a user to change their password. To force a user to change his/her password, first of all, the password must have expired, and to cause a user's password to expire, you can use the following command. Next, verify the user's password expiration and aging information with the following command. After running the command above, you can see from the output that the user's password must be changed. Once this user tries to log in next time, they will be prompted to change their password before they can access it. To modify the password expiry information for a specific user account using the chage command. When you use the chage command to change a user's password expiration, you can add an option called last day 0. This option makes the user's password expire right away, which means they'll need to change it the next time they log in. The execution of this command sets the expiration of the password information for the user GreenCloud to occur immediately. As a result, the next time this user attempts to log in, they will be required to change their password. Next, check the user's password expiration and aging information with the following command.